Instagram is full of great content and unlimited addictive content. In today's advanced world, when everyone is exposed to the internet and social media, you can't stop your kids from using Instagram. But you can use Instagram parental controls to limit what they watch and how much time they spend on the app. So how do you set up Instagram parental controls? It's just 5 steps. Open your Instagram account, then click on your profile. Step 2. You may see 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. Click on them. It's called Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and you will find a section called For Families. Below it, you will see Supervision. Click on it. Step 4. Either you can ask your child to accept the invitation, or you can access their account and accept the invitation yourself. Step 5. Send them the invitation link to supervise your child's account. Here you can set limits on the amount of time your child can use Instagram, including time limits for weekday or weekend use. In addition, you can view who is in your child's chat history. Click on the user's homepage and click on the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner of the screen. You can report the account, or you can restrict it. In addition, you may need to take some extra precautions to protect your child from social media scams. For example, enabling privacy settings, enforcing content restrictions, educating children about online safety. You need to teach them to block and limit bullies and harassers. Using a third-party app, MoniMaster. If your child doesn't want you to properly check his account, you can use MoniMaster, which not only gives you full access to your child's account, but also sends you constant usage reports. Not only that, but you can also view other social media content as well as photos, phone records, text messages, and more. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below.